Nose blackheads removal before/after deep pore cleaning transformation. Before, clogged pores, visible blackheads, uneven texture. After, clean pores, smooth surface, clear skin. But what really happens between before and after? Today we're showing a full nose blackheads removal with deep pore cleaning transformation, and the difference is impossible to ignore. The before reality. At first glance, blackheads may look small, but under closer view, the pores are filled, oil, dirt, and dead skin have built up over time. Why blackheads stay? Without deep cleaning, this buildup remains inside. Over time, pores appear larger, texture becomes rough, skin loses smoothness. Step 1. Preparation. We begin by cleansing the surface. This removes excess oil and prepares the skin. Step 2. Opening the pores. Steam is applied to soften the buildup. The pores begin to open, making extraction easier. Step 3. Extraction phase. Now the process begins. Each pore is carefully pressed. Blackheads start to release from inside the skin. Step 4. Transformation in progress. As more pores are cleaned, the surface begins to change. Less congestion, more clarity. This is where the transformation starts. Step 5. Complete deep cleaning. All clogged pores are cleared. The buildup is fully removed. The texture becomes smoother. Step 6. Skin recovery. After extraction, the skin is calmed, redness is reduced, and the surface stabilizes. Final transformation. Before, visible blackheads. Clogged pores. After, clean pores. Smooth skin, a clear before and after transformation. Final message. Transformation is not instant, it's a process, and every clean pore makes a difference. If you enjoyed this nose blackheads removal before and after transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning and satisfying skincare transformations, stay connected.